In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Shopify product variants beyond the 100 variant limit. Open your Shopify admin in your browser. Once the admin dashboard loads, look to the left sidebar and click Products. This opens your product list. In the top right corner of the Products page, click Add Product to start creating a new item. You'll land on the Product Creation page. Go to the Title field near the top. Click into that field and type Classic Comfort T-shirt. Enter it at a natural pace so the full product name appears clearly in the title box. You can leave the description area alone for this workflow, since the description is optional and not required for the variant setup. Now, scroll down until you reach the variants section. In this area, click Add options like size or color. This opens the option builder, where you define the choices that will create your product variants. Start with the first option. In the option name field, click and type color. After that, move to the option values field. This is where you'll enter each color one at a time. Type red, then press enter. Type blue, then press enter. Type green, then press enter. Each value should appear as its own separate entry, so Shopify can use them to build combinations correctly. Next, add the second option. Click Add another option. A new option row appears below the first one. In the new option name field, type size, then click into the values field for this option. Enter the sizes individually so each one becomes its own value. Type XS, then press enter. Type S, then press enter. Type M, then press enter. Continue adding the remaining size values for the set so the option contains the full size range needed for the variant build. Press enter after each value so Shopify separates them properly. Now add the third option. Click Add another option again. In the option name field, type material. Then move to the values field. Enter the material choices one by one. Type cotton, then press enter. Type polyester, then press enter. Type linen, then press enter. As with the earlier options, each one should appear as its own saved value in the list. When all three option groups are in place, click Done to close the option editor and apply the variant structure to the product. At this stage, Shopify uses the option values you entered to generate every possible combination for the product. That means each color, each size, and each material gets combined into a full variant list automatically on the product page. Go to the top right corner and click Save. Wait while Shopify saves the new product. Once the save is complete, stay on the same product page and scroll back down to the variants section. Here you'll see the generated list of variants for the product. The page now contains the full set of 108 variants created from the option combinations. As you look through the list, each row represents a single combination of color, size, and material. In every row, Shopify provides fields tied to that specific variant. You can see places for price, SKU, and inventory. The list also includes media assignment fields for individual variants. Scroll to the section to view the complete set of combinations that Shopify generated from the three option groups. This confirms that the product now goes beyond the old 100 variant limit. Instead of stopping at 100, the product page shows all 108 variant combinations on a single product. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. With the setup complete, your product now has 108 variants available under one Shopify product. Each variant is its own row, and each row carries its own pricing, SKU, inventory quantity, and media assignment fields. Shopify supports up to 2,048 variants per product across all